So you might be wondering, how do I enable this? One thing that you might want to consider, and I've had many districts think about, is what's an ideal day? We're at that time of year where there are a fair amount of professional days, or there's a spring break coming up. Many of them turn it on maybe on their professional day. They get used to it, they see how it works, and then they're able to pick the day that they like to choose to turn it on. You have the ability to turn it on and off. So if you're a Destiny administrator, you would go to Setup, Sites, and the sub-tab. You click next to your district name and click the pencil icon. You'd click Edit on the district page and then select Unified Navigation and click Save. And it will turn over to Unified Navigation. If you need to make changes or you're going to create a little quick guide, you can also follow the exact same steps and uncheck Unified Navigation. There will be a help article in Community that you can search under Unified Navigation, which will have a help guide and a video.